Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, welcome back to ichannel yami usahleli nesalukazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia, right? So there's a video that I made astral projection and ngikhuluma iqiniso, I'm happy in terms of how you received the email, the not the yo, how y'all got or received the video. I'm glad that kunomunye ugogo othe kimi, you know what gogo, ngiyabonga because ngibe ne-astral projection. Makayibhala bekathi ube ne-astral projection yesterday and wathandaza, and she was scared, she didn't know what's going on. Then when she woke up, she literally saw my video on YouTube, and I don't want to lie, those videos or those affirmations that you learn each and every day, in Twaso, it's not only going gakobela ufika uyotwasa, right? Your everyday life, you are learning, which comes to the topic that I'm about to share now about umuntu othi gogo ngihlale ngiphupha, always dreaming of iskole, always dreaming, kanti asipheli lesikolo. I finished iskolo a decade ago, I finished iskolo 2 decades ago, and ngimdala, like ngimdala, ngishadile ngineyingane, iy'ngane zami sezizezi ku-matric, but why am I still dreaming ngisesikolweni? And it dreams about iskolo, yes, intwaso, right? Abantu bakho bayakufundisa. That's why mawuphupha isikolo uzophupha attending a class, noma uzophupha being late for a class, noma uzophupha ubhali exam, bhala ama-testi, a teacher giving you feedback ukuthi no, you failed or no, you passed, right? Abantu bakho surely in this journey, isikolo sabo, maybe the first school that you're gonna dream about, it's them teaching you about a spiritual awakening, for you to be awakened, for you to know actually who you are, for you to know that you are gifted, right? So the more they try to tell you in your dreams that, child, you are gifted, uhlangane nomuntu athi unabantu abadala, and you're not hearing them, you're ignoring them, right? Uzophupha late for iskolo, uzophupha bakchika but you didn't make it to class, it can be a lot. Then once you pay attention and you're like, oh, okay, I am spiritually gifted. Okay, so what do I do now? Where do I go? You become, you ufika kuleso state noma you find yourself in a situation where, like, now you're becoming curious, now you want to know who you are, you start googling, you start asking people, ukuthi hayibo, so how do I communicate ke nabantu abadala, how do I phahla? Then uphuphe futhi usesikolweni attending a class. Now they are showing you ukuthi you are attending to what we were literally trying to tell you, right? And once you know and find out and find yourself who you are and acknowledge ukuthi okay, nginabantu abadala, I'm starting with my journey, I'm paying attention, sengiyaphahla, then uzophupha usuphasa, noma uteacher athi well done, you're doing good, meaning in that they were trying to teach you about spiritually awakened, being spiritually awakened, you are understanding it, you are passing it, then you will move to the next phase. You understand? So the more you are in denial, or let's say isithunywa, wena unesithunywa kuphela, right? And now welo ya so busy ubuza ngamanguni namandawe, you're doing things that they don't want, you're going to people that they don't want you to go to, right? Then you will see yourself being late for class, you're not getting where you're supposed to get, you understand? So iskolo sibalekile, right? Iskolo, it's one thing that you will normally dream. If umdawu wakho uthi sesifikile manje, you are done ngesithunywa, siyakubona ukuthi isithunywa uyasibona kodwa nathi sikhona amandawo, then you will dream yourself usuya esikolweni futhi usulahleka. So now whenever you dream about isikolo, you have to check the sequence, you have to check whatever that's happening in your life, you have to check everything eyenzakalayo. You know, if they're trying to teach you about ukupha, you know, being a person that gives, having an open heart, maybe bayabona ukuthi wena unenhliziyo embi uyancintshana, wena ustinch, yabo, and isithunywa sifuna umuntu ovula inhliziyo. Bazoletha umuntu afike kuwe athi hayi Khotman, ayisesteri ngicela i2 rand ngilambile, bese uthi hayi angifuni anginamali. That time you've got 1,000 rand in your bag, that time you've got a 50 rand in your bag, you know, then uzobona ufail isikolo, meaning they're trying to tell you ukuthi whatever that you're trying to show you awukakayifundi. You understand? That's why we go through tests emaphuphweni when we are in school, and we go through tests in our everyday life. Yabo, kuzoyenzakala isimo, ugogo omdala umbona ukuthi uyahlupheka, you understand? Okay, sorry, call disturbed my video, right? So ubone ugogo omdala, and what you need is ukufila nje, ube umuntu onozwela ukuthi hawu Nkosami, ugogo hayi naphila gogo, ngiyaphila, hayi yazi ngineyingane lana azinayo impahla, noma hey mntanami yazi ngilambile. You know, do something, do good. So a lot of you don't grow in spirituality, or you are stuck at the same place because you are failing the tests that they give you. Yabo, ubhizi ugijimana ney'ntaba, ubhizi ugijimana namanzi, which is a good thing. However, bayakuvivinya kuyo yonke into, you are being tested to see ukuthi usulungele na to move to the next stage, or do you hear them, or do you listen, or do you understand? So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. Anyways, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga, uNkulunkulu nedlozi banandisele banikhulise kube kuhle, kukhanya kube mhlophe. Lesedi khanya qama.